Good morning, futures traders. This is David on June 30th. The time is 9:12, Thursday, June 30th, of course, 2022. Just getting rolling here. Starting them all up. Let's see which one goes off first now. I stayed out of it a little earlier. It's kind of a roller coaster, which it always is at the beginning, until they assert themselves which way they're going to go. So they call it what a lot of head fakes. Looks like oil's going
Order
down.
submitted.
Okay, let's see what happens here. Move that up to there. I thought I had it set. Let's keep going up.
Order filled.
There, we got a good movement up.
Target order canceled.
And we got a good movement up. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful movement.
Stop filled. Order filled.
There we go. Let's see here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, I didn't get the commission in there. Shoot. 3,800, 100%, 116,000 a month if you do it that every once a day all month. Yeah, I'm gonna leave oil alone. I haven't been messing with it after 8:30. Looks like our ES is going to be
Order submitted.
winner chicken dinner to us today.
Order filled.
Both of them. Let's get some more pressure up.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Come on back up. Let's see if the buyers are stronger. Yeah, here they come.
Order
There
canceled.
they go. Look how they did the little pivot trying to shake you out of it. Software had it right.
Order filled.
Yeah, let's look. Let's take a look here what we got. There, I got commissions on there finally. I did it. All right. 122, $1,700, so $1,600, and $52,000 for the month. With not much pressure. Let's see if I got it on this one here. Yep, 122, but I think it was more because I didn't have it on that account yet. So it's 122, so I'm guessing it's 210, 220, something like that. 670, 6,000. So I'm at basically 8 or 9,000 for the day. So yeah, I think I'm going to call that good. All right. Well, the time is now 9:18. So, all right. Thank you for watching, and I will make more videos. Sorry I haven't made enough this week. Been kind of busy doing a lot of other stuff. So, all right. Thank you.